Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. With that being said, I'm just going to quickly clarify a couple things. Now this device is in a setup state, but the process will not vary whatsoever. And that being said, additionally, this will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I'll also add that if you go through this kind of reset to get rid of a screen lock, if this device also had a Google account signed in on it, the device will become FRP locked. And this will basically force you to verify either the old Google account or screen lock throughout the setup that you would be going through. And typically without those, you wouldn't be able to finish up the setup. I do have a guide on how to bypass this if you're interested in such a thing for the future, but in any case, going back to this one after the shameless plug, we're first going to start off by holding our power button, which can be done either with the device being locked, meaning like if you have a lock screen, or it being unlocked. And just going to select power off. The device will obviously turn off, and once it does so, you want to hold your volume up, down, and the power button at the same time. So all three buttons on your side. So there was the vibration. Let's hold the three buttons. Now when the device gives us the logo, the Lenovo logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding to volume up and down. As you can see, this boots us into recovery mode. Now before I flip it to an actual normal landscape mode, so you can actually see the text, or portrait technically, I'm going to quickly mention that you will navigate through these options using your volume buttons. So just to demonstrate this, volume down will go down, and up obviously goes up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, you flip it over. The reason I showed you that is because the volume buttons are now kind of off the screen. So anyway, with that in mind, we want to select the wipe data factory reset. So typically it would be on the first option. So we're gonna press volume down a couple times till we have it selected, and then you want to confirm it using your power button, like so. Again, I'm gonna select factory data reset. It's gonna begin formatting data, then give you a message data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press your power button once again. So just gonna press it right now, and this will initiate a reboot and continue resetting your device in the background. Now because it is continuing the reset in the background, it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, this is completely normal. And once it's finished, we should have our setup screen visible. And like I mentioned before, if you go through this with the intent to remove your screen lock, most likely your device will also become FRP locked, in which case you might be interested in the bypass guide that I have made for this specific device. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.